Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to discuss some best information gathering tool. At first, I want to say what is information gathering. Information gathering, also known as data collection and intelligence gathering, refer to the process to collecting relevant and useful information various sources. So, in the world of cybersecurity, knowledge is power. Gathering information about system, network, and organization is a fundamental step in understanding potential vulnerabilities and the threat. To assess cybersecurity professional, what do work actually? Cybersecurity professional, ethical hacker, and penetration tester, we have completed a comprehensive list of information gathering tools. Those tools are essential resource for. So, some list of best information gathering tool like that. Who is who is not agreement? Okay, PKZ. Who is okay? PKZ help run clear. Okay, at first, who is tool. Second, Netgraph, Virus Total, Hunter.io, MX Toolbox, DNA Check, Shudan, Ping, WhatWave, Sublister, The Harvester, ReconNG, ReadWork, Nmap. Already I discussed Nmap, so maybe not install it. Okay. Uh, so okay. The next video I want to discuss read work, how to install, and what is this actually. Thank you. This video only theory purpose, the best tool of information gathering. Okay.